저는 아버지 편에서 말해요. I talk
So,
on the side of my father. This 편 is in favor of a certain side.
I think I understand. It's like
Yeah.
the sides of the war.
Yeah. 저는 독일 편을 들어요. You know, you have a flag. You raise the flag of German side. So I take German. 둘 다 is raise up, lift up something. 저는 어머니 쪽에 있어요.
So my mother, the mother is on the, no. I am on the mother
Side.
I'm in the mother direction.
I'm on the mother side. Yeah.
But
So
this
this means, you know, either you are on your mother's home, or this cannot be very clear whether you take the side of your mother. If you want to be really clear about which side you take in favor, so 저는 어머니 편에 있어요. This is clear that you are helping your mother.
Can I combine the pyeon as a chok, like a o른쪽, 오른편?
야, 오른쪽으로 가세요.
Please go right.
Yeah. Please go to right. 오른편을 보세요.
Please see at the right side.
Yeah, please see on the right side. So this 오른편 왼편, this is the same as 오른쪽 왼쪽. I think right side, left side is 오른쪽 왼쪽. Yeah. This is the same directional matter when you go with right or left. When you mean to say directions, use 쪽 instead of 편. It's better to say 오른쪽, 왼쪽 for right side, left side, and for south side, use 남쪽. For north side, use 북쪽. We don't have 북편 or 남편 for directions. We have 동쪽, 서쪽 for east side and west side. But when you have 편 after people, party, and country, it's different. You take certain side for your favor. So 저는 러시아 편이 아니에요.
Yeah, you don't side with the Russia.
Yeah. 저는 우크라이나 편도 아니에요.
And you don't side with Ukraine either.
Yeah. 저는 중립이에요.
You are
neutral.
Neutral.
저는 전쟁을 좋아하는 편이 아니에요.
So you are not on the side of liking a war.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Well, no. You are not on the side that the war is good.
Yeah. So you don't take the side of launching war.
Yeah.
So 전쟁을 좋아하는 편이 아니에요. So you cannot say 저는 전쟁을 좋아하는 쪽이 아니에요. You can say it, but it's not very good.
Yeah. It has much precise meaning. The pyeon.
Yeah, 편 is always you are leaning toward on certain side because you want to help them because you are on their side.
It makes sense.
Yeah. 저는 친구 편에서 항상 말합니다.
I always speak for my friend's side.
So to help my friend, I say all the things in favor of my friend.
Yeah, I speak well of them.
Yeah.